Food has such a big effect on your moods, on your sleep, and on your health for you and the kids. You know that, and I know that. But I want to show you that making food changes doesn't have to be that big a deal. It is not all or nothing. It can literally be a recipe a week. Hey, I'm Stace. I'm a health coach and I want to guide you on changing a recipe a week. So maybe the babes are taking a lunchbox with now a new thing that's brilliant for their gut health, or making a homemade salad dressing that's not only cheaper and without the preservatives, but your kids absolutely love, and now they're gobbling up salad. This club is awesome. You're gonna love the recipes, but you're gonna stay for the motivation, because there's gonna be thousands of other mamas that will be posting in our private Facebook group saying, Stace, tried your recipe, fussy kid, absolutely loved it, brilliant. That's gonna give you the motivation and the courage to try these new things, because where could your family's health be in a year's time if you brought in just one new healthy recipe a week? Come join. See you in the club.